What's good with it, y'all? It's your boy. I'm back in this thing. I know it's been a minute, and I have a good reason to why it's been a minute since I've posted. So I'm gonna talk about this in another video. I'm not gonna talk about it in this video because that's not what this video is going to be about. But the car was in the shop for a couple of weeks. Stay tuned for the next video if you don't already know why it was in the shop. I will be posting a video real soon on that. But today, now the last thing I posted on this car was when I upgraded to the Cervinis cowl hood, and I promised to make a video basically telling you guys how I feel about it, showing you guys what it looks like as I'm driving, basically giving my overall review on the Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood. Now, I really like the hood, but it definitely has some cons. But the look that you get from having the Cervini's cowl hood is unbelievable. Like, it makes the car look a lot more aggressive. I love it. It takes away some of the visibility, most definitely makes it a little harder to park sometimes. But if you know the front end of your car, you know where you're parking. Just at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is, if you end up rocking the Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood, be very careful with how close you are to things in front of you because you won't see it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit notifications. Go down in the comment section and tap in with your boy, you know what I'm saying? If you got any video recommendations, things that you guys want to see me do, go ahead and go down there and say it. Today, basically what I will be doing is just, it's not gonna be like a point of view, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it's like driving the 2021 Mustang GT with a Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood. So we're gonna go driving around a little bit. I'm gonna pull over to a spot where I can give you guys a nice outside view of it and basically just give you guys just a full review on it. You guys can see it from inside and outside from a driving point of view. So let's get into it. Yay! All right, you guys, so we enter in the freeway. 3, 2, 1, go! Got y'all. So I can't actually dog the car. I can't drive it hard or anything. I have to go through a little break-in process again. So I have to, I'm gonna speak more about it in another video, but I basically can't drive the car hard. My goal is to not drive it over 3,000 RPMs and to keep it below 3,000 RPMs. As you guys can see, this is what the hood looks like when I'm driving. I do not have hood pins. I torqued everything to spec. Everything is tightened down. I'm using the original latch. There's not a lot of shaking going on. It is super windy right now as well, but this is the visibility you get when you have the Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood. It's pretty nice. It's not crazy. Usually with the stock vent, the heat would come out of the two vents, but when I come to like a stop, I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. You can see like the heat coming out of the hood. All the heat come out of the scoop of the hood. So it's definitely a big difference from the stock hood. Like I said, my cons with this hood, the things that I don't like about this hood is how much I can't see. There's times where I'm going uphill and all I see is hood. I don't like that, and to be honest, that's probably like my only like bad thing about this hood, and the bad thing I have to say is that I can't see. But I knew what I was getting into when I bought the hood. Now for the things that I like just how it looks. I think all Mustangs pretty much look the same, and I feel like once you change like something big like the bumper or the hood, it just changes the whole car. You can't say that Mustang with this hood, you can't say that Mustang looks like every other Mustang, because it doesn't. It does not look like every other Mustang. You got this Mustang that pulls up with this beefy hood, and it's like, damn, like that thing is crazy. Now, I just like this hood because it just changes the look. Yeah, it looks extra. A lot of people would be like, well, why you got a hood like that with no like blower or anything like that? I got this hood because I just wanted to change the look dramatically. I do plan on going with like a Roush or maybe like a Whipple or something like that later down the line. But for right now, I'm just rocking this, changing like whatever I can exterior wise, making it look more aggressive. The car definitely has the sound that makes it sound aggressive and matches the aggressiveness that the car has now. But yeah, this is how it looks at a driving point of view without my hand in the way. I sit up at about right here. This is exactly what I see. Woo, we in a tunnel with it. car steering for me. I can't do the pull that I want to do, but I got a little bit of sound out of it. I'm almost to the area that I want to be in to show you guys what it looks like from the outside if you guys haven't seen it already, but I'm gonna get back to you guys as soon as we get there. All right, you guys, so I finally made it to a spot where I can show you guys what the cowl hood looks like from the outside of the car, not just inside. Honestly, I feel like I should have did this in the beginning of the video. I was sitting here thinking, like, as I was driving to the spot, I was like, damn, I should have did that in the beginning of the video, showed you guys what the cowl hood looks like on the outside, and then did like a point of view of what it looks like. But it's okay, we a little backwards today, it's fine. But this is the 4-inch Cervinis cowl hood, color matched. Let's get it.
In the daytime, how'd you get a friend with a headlight? Probably should have fucked on the first night. Now I gotta wait for the green light. I don't wanna wait for no green light. Epilepsy got me feeling stage fright. Luckily I flirt and it's say hi. Luckily.
All right, you guys, so this is what the hood looks like from the outside of the car. Pretty aggressive look, definitely changes the whole view of the car and the way the front end looks. I know it doesn't complement that bumper. That bumper is real stock looking, but guys, look at the way the hood is and the way the lines curve with the body. It's perfect. It's color matched perfectly. There are literally no flaws in between the paint jobs. It looks perfect. Now I believe that there is a option that you could choose to paint the underside of the hood, but I don't even think I was able to find the option. I'm not too sure. Let's pop the hood. I'll show you guys what it looks like under. Oh, but I also installed something else I want to show you guys. Check this out. Hood goes up by itself. I took that little stick out and I put the MMD hood struts, gas hood struts in there to automatically lift the hood up, and it just looks a lot more cleaner instead of having that stick right there, and it makes it a lot easier to work on the car. You don't have to run into that stick all the time. A lot of you guys know what I'm talking about, but this is what the underside of the hood looks like. It is like a gloss black, and they perfectly lined it. I took this off of the old hood. I'm pretty sure you guys saw the whole install, but it looks super clean under here. There's no wiring, and the wiring I'm talking about is like the spray nozzles, like you don't see it. One thing I had a problem with, I will say, is the clips. Now I only had a problem with this one where the hole wasn't big enough, so I gotta go in with a drill bit and I gotta make the hole a little bigger, but that's pretty much it. The hood looks awesome. Close is solid, sounds good. Doesn't really shake that bad, but obviously it's gonna shake a little bit because I didn't put any I'm having a slow moment here. I didn't put any some hood pins. I couldn't think of the damn name. I didn't put any hood pins in it, but the hood stays on. I hope it don't fly off. Let's hope it don't fly off. I do want to get some hood pins or hood latches, whatever you want to call them, but I want to get the more OEM ones that are kind of similar to the GT500 ones. But yeah, check it out. Cervini's 4-inch cowl hood, color match, straight from the website. Look at that. I'll show you guys one more clip. This is pretty much all the video was. I just wanted to show you guys a point of view of what it's like driving with the hood. So if you ever think about getting the hood, you can just look back at this video and be like, you know what, is this what I want to get? I hope it is something you want to get. It looks dope. Now, I'm not sponsored by Cervinis. It would be nice to get sponsored, but if y'all want to help y'all boy get a sponsor, make sure y'all tag them. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy get a sponsorship. If you guys enjoyed that video, let me know by going down in the comment section and telling me you liked the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit notifications for your boy so you don't ever miss a video. Catch you guys next time. Yeah.